Hi, this is Quincy Jackson. We're here with Sue today, and she's going to tell you how you can do your part to save Albion's nursing home.
Hi. We have had the nursing home here in Orleans County for over 180 years. We started out as the Alms House on the County House Road. It became the Orleans County Infirmary. Now we have a brand new facility, the Villages, but we've always taken care of our own people. Right. At this point in time, the county legislature wants us to believe that it's going to cost too much money to continue caring for our elderly. Currently, they've broken it out on the taxes that we're paying 51 cents per $100,000 assessed value. So for me, that is 96 cents a week. I can't think of a better use for 96 cents than taking care of older folks who've worked a lifetime and now need some help. Because no matter how much money you make in a lifetime, a nursing home can eat it in less than a year. So the concerned citizens of Orleans County, along with the members of the CSEA that work at the nursing home, are combining our efforts to get public awareness out. We've got a petition going to hopefully force a referendum vote in November so the people of the county can have a say, not just the 6 people who voted to sell it in February.
Okay. Is there anything our viewers can do to help you guys?
Absolutely. They can write or call their local legislators. They can write and email the Orleans Hub, which is an e-version of the newspaper out here in the county, and say what they think about the whole deal, whether or not it's worth it, whether or not they're willing to pay extra taxes. Because right now, I'm paying $46 a year for the nursing home. I'm paying $185 a year to have my trash picked up. So even if they tripled the amount that we needed for the nursing home, I'd still be cheaper than the trash. And there's any number of old folks I think are worth way more than the trash pickup.
All right, you heard it here first. It's basically like this, man. It's either save the nursing home or watch it get taken away and privately owned, which means when you become in a position where you need to go to a nursing home, where you need to go to a place because you need a family, you won't have one if you don't do a small little part now. It only takes, 96 cents a week. So come on, if we all pull our resources together, we can do a lot better than that. And we can procure that nursing home will be there for many years to come. We thank you, Sue. Thank you for being here with us, and thank you for giving your little words.
I appreciate your help.
No doubt. Please contact me. All right, thank you.
Dreams are the key, sleep is the secret. I know I seem weak, I've been searching for a reason. Days turn to weeks, months and then the season. It doesn't take a genius, they're taking our freedom. Dreams are the key, sleep is the secret. I know I seem weak, I've been searching for a reason. Days turn to weeks, months and then the season. It doesn't take a genius, they're taking our freedom.